Welcome to QReg. We are a professional medical devices consultancy company dedicated to excellence. In this video, you will learn about the latest updates from the FDA. FDA Update. Final Rule, amending the Quality System Regulation. The FDA issued a final rule amending the device Current Good Manufacturing Practice (CGMP) requirements of the Quality System (QS) regulation. This rule amends 21 CFR 820 by incorporating by reference the Quality Management System, requirements of the international standard specific for medical devices quality management systems, set by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, ISO 13485-2016. The FDA has determined that the requirements in ISO 13485 are, when taken in totality, substantially similar to the requirements of the QS regulation, providing a similar level of assurance in a firm's quality management system and ability to consistently manufacture devices that are safe and effective and otherwise in compliance with the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act, FD&C Act. The rule is effective 2 years after publication in the Federal Register. Until then, manufacturers are required to comply with the QS regulation. The FDA will begin to enforce the QMSR requirements upon the effective date, February 2nd, 2026. Stay with us for the latest news and enjoy a free 5-hour consultancy. Simply fill out the form provided in the description.